Hi, I'm Francisco Tinoco Torres with Torres Productions, and you're watching This Week Out West, where we update you on what's happening around campus and fill you in how you can get involved in the Horns community. This Week Out West is sponsored by Modern Tile Solutions, specializing in tile work for residential and commercial buildings. Call today for a free estimate. Monday is open house. Families, please come out and visit your students' classrooms, check out their work, and talk to the teachers. There will be a Makers Fair supporting the PTSA and the VIPA. Students will be performing. Open house starts at 5:30 to 7 p.m. Wednesday and Thursday are flex schedule. If you have not already signed up for your flex classes, please head to Minga and make your selections now. Wednesday is Paraprofessional Appreciation Day. Thank a para for all they do. Wednesday, the Cinnamon Roll Shack will be on campus before school starts. Wednesday is also the first Wednesday of the month, which means it's College Spirit Wear Day. Seniors, rep the school you plan to attend next year. Underclassmen, rep your dream schools. Thursday, during Flex, academic scholars will be announced. During lunch on Thursday, the girls' basketball team will host a fundraiser. Friday is School Librarian Appreciation Day. Be sure to stop by the library and thank Miss Agnes and Mr. Tao for all they do. Friday morning, before school, is the Horn of the Month ceremony in the Innovation Room. Congrats to everyone who is being honored this month for following the expectations of working hard, establishing connections, showing respect, and taking initiative. Stay up to date on what's happening at Sanger West. Follow Torres Productions on Instagram and YouTube. You can also email story ideas to our advisor, Sarah Sogomonian. Thanks for watching This Week Out West. Have a great week, Hornet. For Torres Productions, I'm Francisco Tinoco Torres.